Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Relume Figma Kit. In order to do so, here we are in Google. We're going to go ahead and start here because we're going to take this step by step. So the first thing we have done here is found our link, and this is at the figma.com community plugin Relume. Now, I'm saying Relume, maybe that's not how you pronounce it, but let's go ahead and just start here. We're going to click on that, and let's go ahead and open this in Figma. So this is going to bring us here to this page. We're going to open this in Figma. We're going to continue with Google. And we're just going to take this step by step here because there's a couple steps in order to get started. So here we go. It's going to bring us to this page here, and we want to open in, and let's go ahead and just go with Untitled. Just head back there really quick. So here you have your recent files. You can create a new file as well. Just want to bring attention to that. But we just go in with the Untitled file here, and here we go. And now you can see that in order to run the plugin, you've got this blue button here that says Run. So we can go ahead and click on that. It's going to ask us to log in. We're going to log in with Google again. And in order to proceed, we are going to need to select a subscription here. So we're going to go ahead and go with the free plan. And we are going to answer a few questions. And let's just go ahead and do this fairly quickly. Get started. Okay. So here we go. So now here we are in Relume, and we can go over here to New Project. Let that load here for a moment. And it'd be a good idea to just kind of maybe do some of the tutorials in here just to make sure you're moving in the right direction. But here you go. So we are now in our project and we're ready to get started with Relume. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it.